I love a great cup of espresso at home, and when I'm traveling, I love to have a great cup of coffee, but sometimes I'm on the road and I don't have access to one. Luckily, this company sent me this. This is going to be a coffee grinder. You can use it manually if you're out traveling, or you can use it electricity-wise if you're at home. It will stay about 25 uses, so it does have some power in it and a long battery. Let's go ahead and unbox it and try it, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think. So you can use this at home or indoor. It's gonna be electric, or you can use it by hand manually. The electricity lasts for quite a while, and it has a 10-star cutter head. So this is not gonna be a blade, it's gonna be a grinder. It even has a 35,000 RPM. So it's gonna be ultra quiet at 75 decibels. That way your children or your spouse can sleep in without being woken up. It's been through multiple tests and regulations, and it has an alloy bearing. It will hold 25 grams of coffee, and it has a 1,000 milliamp per hour battery. It takes 90 minutes to charge it, and you can use it 25 to 30 times before the battery ends up going out. So come with me today as I make a cup of espresso using my new electric coffee grinder. So this is a nice, sturdy, giftable box. So you're gonna get a user manual, so it's gonna go over all the basic functions. It does take a Type-C charger. So this is gonna be the handle if you decide to use it manually and crank it. It comes with a cleaning brush. So this is a really heavy duty coffee grinder. I like that it has the matte black here, and then it has the ribs. There is a lock up here, so you twist it to lock and unlock it, and that is going to access your coffee grinder. If you see in here, it has that 10-star burr, so that is going to crush those coffee beans. It's not going to cut them. It's going to slowly and nicely crush them. On top is where your USB Type-C charger is going to be. And this is also where you're going to use your manual grinder. So if you do decide to manually use it, or if you go on a camping trip, you can put this in here and you can have that option. If you want, it is a really nice and smooth option. It's just gonna take a little bit more effort and energy. We're gonna twist this off, and that is where your coffee is gonna go. So you're gonna put the coffee beans in the top, and your coffee is gonna come out the bottom. This is a really heavy duty metal, so nothing's going to bend, break, or rust. There is a button here on the top. That button is gonna turn it on and off. You're just gonna hit it 2 times for it to start. Let's load this up with coffee beans and try it out. So I have some whole coffee beans here. I'm just gonna pour it in the top. I use this to measure, and then when I'm done, I'm just gonna twist this on the bottom. Let's try it manually first. So we're just gonna put this little thing on, and then we're gonna twist it. So as you can hear, it is grinding it in the bottom. And when you're done, you're just gonna twist this off and you're gonna have access to your coffee. So that was really simple to do. It only took a couple of turns to get this coffee. Switching it from the manual to the electric is just as simple as twisting the other top on. Make sure you lock it into place or you're gonna have a huge mess on your hands. This little button here is going to change your coffee grind. So you have a fine one all the way to a thick, coarse one. You're going to use the thick, coarse one for like a French press, but you're going to use a fine one for an espresso. Twist this back on. And all you have to do is press this twice, and that is going to grind your coffee. As you can tell, it is not very loud at all. It is a low decibel. It's quieter than my espresso machine on a regular day. Turn it off, and then it has a battery indicator here on how much battery is there, so you know if it's charged on your next trip. Let's see how much coffee we got. So I did choose the fine grind because I'm going to make an espresso. So that did a pretty good job grinding it, but I need some more. So twist this back on. Look how well that did at fine grinding my coffee. Now let's throw it in an espresso and try it out. Look at how beautiful and fine that coffee came out straight from the beans. So I'm just going to press it down. Whether you're looking for a coffee grinder for home or for camping, this one did a really good job. I love that it has multiple settings, and this thing is heavy duty. It's going to last a while. It is really robust. It's also Type-C chargeable because I'm sure you have a ton of those already in your house. It holds just enough coffee for you to make multiple espressos or multiple cups. This is going to be the perfect gift for someone in your life that loves coffee or for yourself. Let's be honest, you deserve it. I love my new coffee grinder, and so will you.